Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Cloudbook channel. In this video I am going to talk about the real-time experience. So I am going to give you the some real-time hands-on experience that I worked on in my organization, so which is helpful for you. So if it's okay with you, so you can try these tasks. So if you want this kind of task more in the upcoming days, please join my Telegram community, because I already uploaded the task one yesterday, and the guy Nag is already completed the task. Okay, so I gave the 1 day of time limit to complete the task, so he did, and I already gave him some kind of free session from my side, like to experience so what are the things you have to do in the future to get the DevOps job. So if you want to get the free session, join in my Telegram community and do the task that I give. Who will do the first will get the opportunity to talk with me freely. Okay, so the task that I gave to the Nagcharan, like for the Telegram community, not only for the Nagcharan. Okay, so Nagcharan is here, so you can see already he completed, and he gave me the LinkedIn link of his account. Okay, I reached out to him. See, the task was nicely done. So if you are free, tell me when you are free. So he said like, okay, I'm watching so many videos, like good, those are, and I'm free, this is my mail, you can use it, I'm free after 8 p.m. So I'm going to give him tomorrow the live session, free one for him, like for 30 minutes. It's the guy Nagcharan, you can see him. Okay, so this is the guy completed the task. Okay, and the task is here. So create a bash script, means shell script. I want to create the shell script for him, so the basic one, the task one, right? I don't want to make it like advanced in the first day also, that's it. So bash script, I mean like shell script, to create the backup first and the restore next. So I want the restoration also, like because we use the databases to store our data, right? So like PostgreSQL, maybe MongoDB, some kind of things. So but in this task I gave the database as the PostgreSQL. So the following task consists of this one. See, explore about the PostgreSQL command is the basic one, so you have to understand the basic commands. Okay, if you want to go like to the upper level, you need to understand the basic things, what is the command need to be provided here and what not. Okay, so don't do the mistakes. If you do the drop, the complete data will be lost, okay, in the PostgreSQL. So learn the bash script first of all in order to complete. So this is some basic kind of the automation scripts we will do in the starting days of your organization. Maybe like if you get the some kind of startup jobs, you will do these kind of automations mostly. And if they want in the interview, they'll give some kind of task like, I want the backup this one, so if you possible, can you create the some kind of bash script. So if you have the experience doing this task, you will easily do it, so you won't take more time there. See, so you can create some dummy database, like I didn't give any database, I'm just asking use any dummy data. So he already used the dummy data and he did it, and he just restored it. I asked here to back up the database on PostgreSQL. Okay, that is done, but I didn't add it to S3 bucket. Okay, but in this video I will explain how to back up your database into S3 bucket and how to take the latest file from S3 bucket to your database and restore on the particular new database. So that is the concept I am going to explain in this video today. So for the reference I gave this one, so DigitalOcean one, like community. So how to install Postgres on Ubuntu 22.04. So if you want to go with that one, so this is the reference. I will update in this my blog also, so please go to that one, mrcloudbook.com, use this task and do it. Okay, so this is the solution that I created now. I mean like I created it yesterday beforehand, so to do the video. So take a server for Ubuntu 22.04. So let's go here. So this is my AWS account, I'm in the Mumbai region now, you can see it, and go to EC2. Yes, we can see that this is the dashboard, launch instance, and you can give the name like Postgres, like anything you want, like you can test or anything you can add. I'm selecting the application, I mean like Amazon Mission Image AMI, like Ubuntu 24.04, or you can select 22.04. so both are fine, just confirm changes Okay, let's come down. The instance type means if you use the T2 micro, that is also fine because this is for testing and you are learning the hands-on. Let's select this and go with T2 medium. And for the key pair, select the existing one if you have, because in your own laptop only you are trying, right? That's why select existing one if you are like learning the DevOps, or if you want more hands-on. So if you want to create new one, that is also fine. You can just create a new key pair here. So on security, I mean like this is network settings, you can just edit it, create the new one, or you can select the existing one. I'm using the existing security. So let's go with launch wizard one, so which is all port open. So this is the DevSecOps, but I'm open every port, security is open, so that is not a good way, but I'm just like for the learning purpose I'm explaining. For in the organizations you have to open the required ports for the PostgreSQL SSH and SSH, like see you have to open 8443, that's up to you. Okay, so the storage is like 16 GB I want to use, so because we have 30 GB of EBS storage. So launch instance. So in meanwhile I need an S3 bucket, right, to update my take my backup. So search for S3 here, right click, open link in new tab. So go here, so it will load. Okay, these are my old buckets, I'll create the new one. So create bucket, give a bucket, so pg sql test 0209 and ACLs enabled, nothing else I'm changing. Let's go down, create bucket, that's it. I'm just creating the normal bucket. Okay, the bucket is created here, you can see. So if you go inside, nothing is here, no objects, because we just created it. Okay, let's come back here and search again for IAM. So in order to push the backup to your S3 bucket, you need some kind of rules, right, like permissions from your S3 bucket. Okay, so that's why search for IAM and click on right click. You need to open in a new tab, so which is good for you. Okay, so we'll create an IAM user. Okay, and in the left side panel you have to see there is an users, select here, and we need to create a new user. So create user and give a name psql test, I'm just giving that one. Next, attach policies directly, and I am going to give the admin policies. Okay, admin complete access, don't give admin access in the real time, but you also not get, right, if you are going in the higher levels of the understanding the technology, like you have the experience, you will get the opportunity to use the admin access. But right now in the starting stage you will get the limited access. Okay, so create user, and we created this one. Okay, we will keep this for now, and let's go here and go to instances, and here already its state is running selected, that is fine. Select the instance and copy it and open the PostgreSQL, open the terminal, or maybe Mopo Extreme or anything use. I'm using the terminal, so I have the shell script already written to just to log into my server, so which uses my Mumbai Mac PAM file. Okay, so you can see it. So I already logged in, clear the screen. Here let's go update the server first of all. So we need to update with the latest packages that we needed, right? Whenever we create a server we will do that, so that is fine. Let's come here and go to here, see the answer, we installed the update, then install the Postgres package. Let's come with this command. So I'll update in this in my blog also. Okay, enter. So it will take some time, don't worry about it, and I'm not uploading any new kind of images, but I'm just giving the simple things. You can watch the video and you can watch that blog also, so with that you can easily do it. So one way to switch over to Postgres account is giving this one. Okay, sudo -i-u Postgres. So if you want to hit the screen, you can see the version of the PSQL, we will get 14 maybe, yeah, 14th version. So let's go into the Postgres user, enter. So if you want to go inside, you have to give the command like psql enter. So we are inside the PostgreSQL, and I think we don't have anything here presently because we just created it. Okay, let's quit. So /q enter and exit from the Postgres as well. So we again came back to Ubuntu user now, and there is another way to log in. So that is here, direct way sudo -u and Postgres. We'll directly come to Postgres. You can see here we came to Postgres first, next we give this command, but with this single command we are directly coming into Postgres. So good, right? But see, I'm not getting any kind of passwords while logging into my PSQL. Okay, Postgres, that is not good way. Again, so q exit, come here. See, let's go same command, use it again, and we need to create an alter user. So let's copy this. So this is the alter user, means I'm changing the user, like I want to update the user. Alter means, so with the password, I want the password for Postgres user. Okay, so what is I need the Postgres user with a password. So the password is password, you can change it here, anything. So if you go here, you can change anything, but I'm going to use password. Okay, enter. So you can see that you are getting alter role, means that means it's got the password now. So now the PostgreSQL or the Postgres user have the password. The password is password. This is for just learning, right? I'm giving, not making complex. So in the organizations, use the 16-bit or maybe like stronger password, like 20 letters, everything mixed, or like 48 characters, up to you. /q exit from here. Oh sorry, let's go inside first of all, because I need to create some database first of all to take the backup, right? So let's create a database. This is the command to create the database. Create database, my database. The database name is my database. Enter. So database is created, and come back. So /c means change or connect to database that we created. /enter. See, you can see you are now connected to database, my database, as the user is Postgres. Okay, that is fine. Let's see these users. Okay, let's create a table. I want to create a table, so I created it. So the table is created. There is an ID and like the numbers you will get, and the name, where character, so it's like 100 like 100 letters maybe, and the email also is be 100 letters, that is up to you. So you can update the letters also. So but let's insert some data into that one. Go and copy this data. This is randomly generated. Okay, so I'll paste it here, enter. See, you can see insert 52 is done. So we have some data now. So clear it, and if you give the command called select star from users is the command, enter. See, we have the data, ID, name, email, 52 rows we have. Okay, let's quit from here, and before that I want to show other thing. So I have only one database. Okay, let's say maybe D. Yeah, see, there are nothing else. See, 2 schemas, owner is only one Postgres, nothing else. Maybe DB. Yeah, this is also same list of table spaces, nothing else. Okay, that is fine, no need to worry about it. But if you want to move into new database, see, new database, center. See, we don't have the new database because we only have one, that is my database from here. So that is the point, remember this. Exit from here. Now I need the password for my see, if I give, it needs to be asked the password. Okay, right here, see, but there is no password here, right? Let's go quit. Let's go here, cd/etc and PostgreSQL. So what is the version we installed? 14. Let's go into main. Okay, what are the files we have? So this is the configuration file we need to change. Okay, let's go pi pg hba.configuration. So if you don't change it, you will get the issue in the upcoming days and in the future while taking the restore or maybe in the backup. Okay, that's why I'm saying edit it. So let's go. So why I'm not getting any kind of data here? That means we open without sudo. So okay, it's a minute. Sorry. Okay, let's give sudo, and if you don't want to run again sudo vi like that, you can just give sudo double exclamation. It will take care of everything. Okay, it's like one it's getting. Okay, enter. Sorry, actually it's taking the old command. You can see if you give this one sudo it's taking, so it's take the previous one. If you give like this, it will take the previous one. So I will show it again. Vi pghba config. So we don't have any permission denied access here. So let's exit from here. Okay, sorry. Enter. See, if you give sudo double slash, what is the old one command we gave? Vi pg underscore hpa.config. We don't have the permission. If I give sudo double exclamation enter, I got the permission now. See, so I mean like it runs with the sudo command. What is the history lost command? It will use that one for with sudo. Okay, that is fine. You can see here administrator login by Unix domains. Okay, so you need to change the method here to md5. Okay, shift colon wq. That is done. Let's restart systemctl restart PostgreSQL. So it will restore the system. So till now we didn't do anything. Okay, we are just like created everything what we needed and just reload it again. Okay, done. So now let's see cd home. Let's give the command this one which we use mostly login. Yeah, this one, right? Sudo -u. Let's give come down. We will understand more clearly the command. Sudo enter. See, it's asking for password now. Let's give the password. Okay, that is good. Now wait, let's create a backup file. Before that, let's go here. See, we see the data using this one. That is good. So we went there and updated the file and restarted and reloaded. So to get the password, let's install AWS CLI because we need it in order to push it to 1 minute. Let's control U because it's using V. Okay, first we are installing the unzip and then we are installing AWS CLI. Enter. So because we need to push our database into S3 bucket, right? That's it, we need it. So that is done. We have AWS version. What we have to do? AWS configure. Let's give the command. Okay, let's come here to the IAM. So we created psql test. We have the administrator access. Go to security credentials, create access keys, command line CLI. I mean like the command line interface. I understand. Next, create access key, copy access key here, paste here, configure, copy secret key, paste here, enter. So AWS configure is done. So we have the bucket, we have the IAM keys added to the server. So we have the server. Okay, everything is good now. Let's go here. Let's create a .env file for secrets like Postgres password, what is the bucket name. I don't want to expose them. So let's go here. Let's create this file. I'll create it. Just copy these values. vi.env, enter, paste it. All we have to change is path, S3 path. Okay, see, S3 path I want as backup cloud. Okay, this is I need to give. I mean like this is just random path. You can give any name. That is not mandatory. I'm saying like you can give any name and you can come here to the S3 bucket and copy this and come paste it. All you have to do is create the S3 bucket. That's it. Shift colon See why I'm not giving changing any user means we use the Postgres user and password is also password, and the database we created is my database. That's why I'm not changing anything. I want to restore the data that we put into S3 bucket to a new database. Okay, the bucket name is this one, and the backup load you can give anything, wq. So let's create vi backup.sh file. Let's come here because I already created the script. If you don't understand, what you can say is just go with this one, like copy script and ask for your chat GPTs, because AI is gaining more popularity nowadays. If you want, I will explain here. First, this command will do .env, like it load the environment variables, and then the backup file will be stored like this: date of this today, and the month, year, date, I like everything, like the time and everything, .sql file. And this is the backup performance command to take the backup, and then it will create the compressed version of your backup file. Then this command will push it to your S3 bucket. So this will tell whether it's pushed or not. If it's pushed to S3 bucket, it will delete those files. Okay, if not, it will store in the there only in the local. Okay, let's give the permission x backup.sh, enter. Let's give that one. See, the backup is done. You can see upload. This is the file. So where it's moving to S3, the bucket name is this, backup cloud. Done, right? It's moved. See, you can see backup upload to S3 successfully, removing locally backup files. That is good. If you go here to the S3 bucket, see nothing is here. Let's refresh, because I wanted to show, because this is the path I gave, right? Backup cloud, it's created. Inside that I have the file. See, I have this one. Okay, let's create the restore file. Vi restore.sh. Let's go here. We have the files for everything here. Okay, I will give you in my blog also. Please use them if you want, or if you want to create a new one, that is also good for me, because you are learning something new. Okay, sorry, 1 minute. Copy it, paste here, shift:/wq. See, beforehand only I will show, because we don't have any kind of what did you say, I mean, like password. We don't have any kind of new database here. Let's see, new underscore database. See, database does not exist. Okay, I want to do some backup again. See, I took the another backup here, so the date is changed. If you go here, so here refresh again, so it will take the latest file for the restore. Okay, see, the latest file is this one, 831. Okay, so the name is 130150. This is the name. So let's give the permissions for restore script. Okay, I gave it. Run this, enter. So it's asking for password now. So it's first created a database, then created the table, alter the table. So it's copying some 52 content, because we have the data of 52 people. Let's give the password here, enter. So you can see restoration is successful, removing the local backup files. Okay, that is good. Let's see whether it's took our backup or not. Give the password again. See here, if I go to new underscore data base, see, now I am using, see, you are now connected to database, new database. Last time we don't have this, doesn't exist. I didn't do anything. The script did everything. Okay, let's give the command select, the star from users. So this is the table, right? Enter. See, the data, everything is in the new database now. So I think the scripts are working good. Okay, See, we have the backups here, two backups, right? See, so let's see, if you want take another one, that is up to you, you can just take it. See, if you come here, refresh, it will take the new one. So whenever you take the backup, like they use the cron jobs, it will automatically use the latest file for your restore. Okay, this is the main concept and the main task that I gave to my subscribers, my community in Telegram. So if you want more tasks, more hands-on, please join. I'm not taking some kind of money, okay, in this way. So I want to give something beforehand. So thanks for watching the video, and beforehand you can just create, like delete everything. So you can just go back to users, select the user, select delete, and give the name as psql test, enter, or you can select delete user. So see, you can see deleting the user. So once that is done, you can directly come here. So close this one, we don't need this tab. So I don't, if you want this database, or you can use it. If you don't want, you can just select this and delete it. So I think we have to give the permanently delete option here. Let's copy it, delete objects. So I'm deleting it. Okay, that is done. Close, because we don't need any kind of money, I mean like data amount of money to be, you have to pay. Okay, select this and delete it. Like I want to say everything, right, because I created it. So copy it, paste it, delete bucket. So the bucket also deleted here. So if it deleting bucket cannot be undone, so you will get some kind of like warnings. Close this. Let's delete the server. Select the server, go to instance state, terminate, or you can say delete. So you can just terminate, delete message. So it will delete your server. Okay, so this is the task that I gave. So today or maybe tomorrow I'll give another task. Please join in the community. I will give you in the description the link. So thanks for watching video, and keep on supporting to Mr. Cloudbook channel.